Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add your qualifications on LinkedIn. Step 1. Open LinkedIn on your mobile device. Then go to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon on the top left corner. Then go ahead and tap on your name. Once you're on your profile, look for the Add Profile section, which is just below your profile photo. Go ahead and tap on it. In this menu, you have few different options. If you're adding a degree, diploma, or any academic qualifications, go to Education. For certificates and professional license, select Licenses and Certifications. To add an educational qualification, go ahead and tap on Add Education. And you can select your school, degree, field of studies, etc. And that's it. Now you know how to add your qualifications on your LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.